Artificial intelligence, AI, technology has advanced significantly in recent years, and it is now affecting all aspects of our lives. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, the way we interact with technology is rapidly changing. In this article, we will look at the current state of artificial intelligence, its benefits and challenges, and how businesses can prepare for the future. The current state of artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a science fiction concept, it is becoming more and more integrated into our daily lives. AI algorithms are being used to create new products, services, and solutions in industries as diverse as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. Machine learning is one area where AI has made significant progress. Machines can now learn from massive amounts of data and improve their performance over time, thanks to advancements in the field. Many of the most recent AI applications, such as predictive analytics, personalized medicine, and autonomous vehicles, rely on this ability. Natural language processing is another area where AI is making an impact, NLP. NLP allows computers to understand and interpret human language, allowing us to communicate with them in a more natural manner. Siri and Alexa, for example, are good examples of this technology in action. The advantages of AI. AI offers numerous advantages to both individuals and businesses. For one thing, it can automate repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and strategic tasks. This increased productivity can save businesses money while also improving job satisfaction and lowering employee burnout. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in more accurately diagnosing diseases and providing personalized treatment plans based on patient data. The technology is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies, which could save countless lives. AI-powered fraud detection systems in finance are assisting banks and other financial institutions in preventing financial crimes before they occur. AI is also changing the way we invest by utilizing predictive analytics to identify market trends and make better investment decisions. AI challenges. Despite the numerous advantages of AI, there are several challenges that must be addressed. One major source of concern is the potential impact on employment. As machines become more capable of performing tasks previously performed by humans, some jobs may become obsolete. Policymakers must develop policies to assist workers who may be displaced by automation. Another issue to consider is the ethical implications of AI. As machines become more intelligent, there is a risk that they will make harmful decisions or violate human rights. AI algorithms are also susceptible to bias if they are trained on biased datasets. To address these concerns, organizations must ensure that their artificial intelligence (AI) systems are transparent, accountable, and adhere to ethical principles. Making plans for the future. Businesses must adapt to stay competitive as AI evolves. This entails investing in artificial intelligence technologies and training employees to work alongside machines. Companies should also focus on developing an innovation and experimentation culture in which employees are encouraged to try new things and take calculated risks. Amazon is one example of a company that is embracing AI. The e-commerce behemoth employs artificial intelligence algorithms to personalize product recommendations and optimize its supply chain. Amazon has also created a fleet of delivery drones that use artificial intelligence to navigate and avoid obstacles. Google is another example, as it uses AI to improve the accuracy of its search results and develop new products and services. Google is also investing in AI-powered healthcare solutions that could assist doctors in more accurately diagnosing diseases and providing personalized treatment plans. To summarize, the AI era has begun, and it is changing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. While AI has many advantages, it also has some drawbacks that must be addressed. Businesses can stay ahead of the curve and reap the benefits of this exciting new technology by embracing AI and planning for the future.